It's your girl Courtney Marie and welcome back to another video. If you are new here, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like this. And today's video is a makeup video. I'm definitely going to do like a soft glam. I want it to be full coverage but soft at the same time. Not doing too much but doing too much at the same time, if you know what I mean. So that's what I think I'm going to do today. So face is clean, face is toned. So I'm gonna try this Ilia the Base Face Milk. This is my first time trying this and I am super excited to try it. It's supposed to give like a nice base hydrating layer that's good for under your makeup. So I'm excited to try it. I'm gonna rub it on my face. And I got this from Sephora during a Sephora sale. So far so good. And y'all please excuse my my injury here. I had cut my finger. For primer, I'm using my Huda Beauty Easy Blur primer just to help with those pores. Next primer, I'm gonna go in with my Refi primer. Another thing that I picked up during the Sephora sale is the Giorgio Armani. And this is their Luminous Silk Foundation. And this is in the shade 13.25. I heard so many good things about this foundation. So I just had to get my hands on it. Hopefully it is my right shade because I got it offline. Next, we're going to go into contour and blush. So you already know I'm taking my dipstick. I've been using this faithfully. And I'm going to go ahead and bronze my face. Alright, y'all, I'm applying this blush from Dibs. And we're going to blend it out. It's like this dark pink shade. I'm a more peachy type girl. I love peachy blushes. Anything like really hot pink, dark pink, I don't do. However, we is just going to roll with it today. We just gonna roll with it, see how it turn out. As you can see, it is very pigmented very pigmented, so it's good for, you know, brown skinned women. Next is concealer. So today I'm using my Lancome concealer, and y'all know I use more than one shade, okay? So of course the lighter shade will go in the inner corner, darker shade will go in the outer corner. I like to bring it all the way down to the bottom of the bridge of my nose. So this is the lighter shade. This is shade 435. So that is the lighter shade. Next I'm going in with my darker shade and I'm gonna just put it on the outer corner, kind of bring it down, kind of like a little triangle like that. And this is not a full glam, y'all, so I'm not going too crazy. This is more so a soft glam, so I want it to look soft but still giving it to the girls. We're gonna let that concealer dry a bit and then we're gonna blend it out. I'm going to spray my face with this Charlotte Tilbury setting spray just to add back some moisture. And you can use a brush like me or you can use a beauty blender, whatever way you like blending out your concealer. Both ways work good. I don't have a clean beauty blender, so that's why I'm using my brush. One thing about this concealer, it don't take long to dry, honey. So like I said, this is going to be like a soft glam, so I'm not going to do too much on the eyes. Since it's like fall, I may go into like my browns, my nude palette. I actually brought Natasha Denona's palette. It was just so beautiful to pass up. Like I could not just not get it. She is expensive though, I must say. She is very expensive. Her brand just gives luxury, but I just had to bring it home with me, so I may go into that palette. Powder, I'm going in with my Huda Beauty Easy Bake, and yeah, now I'm looking like a powdery donut. So let's go ahead and add back some color to the face. I'm gonna go in with my powdered bronzer. And of course, you know, I've been using this lately, my Dior. Just can't get enough of her. And this is in the shade 40 Deep Matte. So I'm gonna go in with her first, and then I will go in with my blush. So I'm gonna go everywhere that I place the cream. So the perimeter of my head and my cheekbones and also my jawline. Next, we're going to go in with blush. I am using my YSL. This is in the shade 37. Make Me Blush. So this is how it looks. It's like a nice peachy color. Like I told y'all, I'm a peachy type of girl, honestly. So I'm going to just blend the two. You can kind of still see the dipstick blush, but I'm going to just put this right on top of it. So now I'm going to go in with my face powder. Well, this is not really a face powder. This is my foundation powder from Fenty Beauty in the shade 460. I use it like face powder. I usually just splatter this everywhere to get rid of any harsh lines, any extra powder that I'm missing that's still on my face. I use this and I just go everywhere with it. So this is the palette that I was talking about, Natasha Denona. I'm gonna open her up with y'all because I'm excited. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. These are the colors in the palette. I'm so excited. Of course, I'm gonna go in with my browns. But we're gonna see what I come up with. So I think I'm gonna go in with this brown color here, and I'm gonna put that in my crease, blend it, kind of like my transition shade. So I'm not going to do any shimmer. I'm going to go in with like a nice neutral shade. See, like that. That's perfect. Something soft and neutral. And then of course, y'all know I like to smoke out my eye looks. So I'm taking a darker brown and just putting it in the outer corner. And kind of taking it up, blending it in with that brown. So of course, y'all, I'm gonna go in with some lashes. Let's see what kind of lashes I got. Oh, well, these are cute. I'm gonna go in with these. I think I got these off Amazon. Lashes are on, eyes are done. I think it's giving pretty soft. So now we're gonna move on to the lips. So for lip liner, I'm going in with my One Size in the shade Coin Collector. It's like a nice cool brown type shade. And I'm going to outline my lips with this. And next for lips, you want to add a nice lip stick. Whether it's liquid lipstick or regular lipstick, you want to add like a nice base to your lips. So I am using this Powder Kiss liquid lip color from MAC, and it's in the shade It's Personal. It's like a nice pink, like cool tone pink. Very gives kind of purple, but it's still cute, and I'm gonna use it as my base shade. So I'm gonna apply it in the middle. See what I mean? It's giving like a very cool pink, kind of purplish, kind of ashy looking color. But it blends well with the lip liner. So now we're going to add lip gloss to top this lip combo off. So I think I'm going to just go in with my Buxom. This is their full-on plumping lip polish, and it's in the shade Dolly. And as you can see, it's like a nice pink. Got a little shimmer to it. So I'm going to use this to go on top of it.
You ate that.
And that is lip combo, y'all. It is giving, okay? It is giving. I love my lips, like my lip shape so much. When I was younger, I swear on everything, I used to get picked at school, in high school, because my lips were too big. But now everybody wants big lips. She's giving, she's eating. So now I'm gonna just set my face with this One Size On Till Dawn mattifying sunscreen makeup setting spray. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like this. And it's your girl, Courtney Marie. I will see y'all on my next one.